In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how encapsulation and hot water extraction can blend together to give you excellent results. Stay tuned. Today I want to talk to you about how encapsulation and hot water extraction go together like peanut butter and jelly. Now, as you know, I'm the Encap guy, and yeah, I love encapsulation, and so you probably think that I'm just all about encapsulation and against hot water extraction. In fact, I've always said, in fact, you've probably seen in some of our other videos, that I've always mentioned that hot water extraction is the most thorough way to extract soil from the carpet in a single shot. In other words, if you really need to unload the carpet and get a large quantity of soil out of the carpet, hot water extraction is your go-to. That's the best way to do it. However, on commercial glue-down carpets, you'll also want to blend encapsulation into the mix. In other words, put together a program where you're blending hot water extraction with encapsulation to maintain the carpet. That is an awesome strategy when it comes to commercial glue-down carpet. Why is that the case? Well, commercial glue-down carpet particularly has a propensity to hold soil down at the backing of the carpet. And due to the design of the carpet, it's very densely packed together fiber, and underneath the fiber it loads up with soil. And when you hot water extract it through the wicking process, a lot of times we're going to see carpets that look terrible after we've cleaned them. In fact, when you need to go in and really unload a carpet and do a very thorough hot water extraction, you might want to tell your customer, expect that the carpets are going to wick. Expect that it's going to look terrible for a day or so till I can get back and perform a good end cap cleaning. In other words, blending those two things together is going to give you the upper hand on commercial glue-down carpets. By putting together a good program of hot water extraction with encapsulation, you're going to give them the best of both worlds. Now, in reality, if you're doing a good encapsulation program, you may not need to implement a lot of hot water extraction. In many cases, encapsulation is all that you'll need to really keep the carpets in good condition, as long as you're staying on top of encapsulation. In other words, you're not letting the carpet go down and degrade in appearance. But if the carpet's in good condition, if we can keep the carpet in a good overall condition, staying in front of the soil, not allowing it to build up, we can really maintain the carpet with encapsulation without a lot of need for hot water extraction. Now, that's not to say that we're not periodically going to throw in hot water extraction to, again, get the carpets back under control, because again, hot water extraction has the greatest ability to pull soil from the carpet. But if we can manage and maintain the carpet with a good encapsulation program, like what we see with Release It, using a good encapsulation product that crystallizes and shears away from the carpet and leaves the carpet in a more soil-resistant condition, it really lessens the need for hot water extraction. 85% of the soil, according to Shaw Industries, is dry soil. So what's in the carpet should be able to be vacuumed out of the carpet or maintained with good walk-off mats and a good program of vacuuming. So when you work with your customer, make sure that you talk to them about their vacuuming. Look at their vacuums, inspect their vacuums, perhaps provide mats for them. You see, looking at the whole package of maintaining the building, there's a lot that you can do, helping them to get into a good vacuuming program, providing mats, making sure that the dry soil recovery up front is taken care of. And then if you need to unload the carpet, by all means, hot water extraction is great. If you have a truck mount, what a wonderful tool that you have for unloading the carpet of soil. A good portable extractor can also be used, like our 400 PSI TRUCKPORT that we sell here at Excellent Supply. It's a fantastic extractor. It's going to give you 400 PSI, exceptional recovery. It has air watt vac motors in there. It's just really designed to remove soil in a very efficient way. Now, what I would suggest, now here's just a suggestion, if you can go through and pre-scrub the carpet with the CIMEX machine or your orbital machine using Release It, and then sprinkle some of our foam guard, crystal defoamer, on the carpet before extracting the carpet, you're going to dissipate the foam that, for example, Encap-Clean DS2 will be putting down as you scrub the carpet. Real simple step. You shampoo the carpet, sprinkle down some foam guard, and then extract the carpet, and you're going to be able to rinse the carpet and leave it in an excellent condition. Now, again, you may see some wicking, but now come back behind it with a good program of Encap using either the CIMEX or, for example, an orbital machine with microfiber bonnets, you're going to get that carpet back under control again. So looking at the whole package, in fact, we refer to it in our marketing program as the whole clean package, where we put together a program that really fits the needs of the building. That might include some hot water extraction. It will also include an excellent encapsulation program. And if you can build that for your customers, you're going to build value for them, and they're going to love the service that you provide, and you'll be able to keep their carpets in an excellent condition on a day in, day out basis. So try to build a program. Include all of the tools in the toolbox: hot water extraction, encapsulation, and dry soil recovery. Build it so that your customer will benefit from the service you provide. That way, you'll be maxing your end cap and providing service that will really have value for your customers. If we can help you along the way, reach out to us. We're here to help you max your end cap as well. Thank you for watching this episode. Please give us a thumbs up, share your comments below, and also subscribe to our channel. And until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.